Hello everybody, welcome to my today presentation. My topic is timber recycling. As a renewable material, timber not only enables carbon storage during its service life, but also shows significant potential in replacing traditional high carbon materials such as steel and concrete. However, in Australia, timber recycling remains limited by serious factors, including post-processing timber pollution, opaque supply chains and price, outdated publicized method, unstable supply chains, lack of recycling facilities, and insufficient police support. Project focus on recycling of waste wood, specifically exploring how timber can be scientifically recycled and reused throughout its life cycle. Our slogan of this project is "Give timber a second life." My product is an app can be used in pad and mobile phone, primarily designed for second-hand timber recycling and optimize and facilitate circular stages across multiple functionalities. This is some research I have done from similar product and service. I have adopted a minimalized UX and clear functionality on my app. And we have 6 main customer groups. The target audience spans 6 segments with distinct motivation and barriers. The urban convenience seekers want benchmarked pricing and on-time delivery, and the B2B buyer needs sustainability, supply chain, and prefer systems integrations. The inter-motivated beginners need positive feedback and recognition, as well as a sense of accomplishment for his own environment sharing. And the DIYs need a convenient craft trading platform. The other two is need expert pricing and verifiable quality, and one-tap pickup with a clear price. We have 3 main functions. I will introduce them one by one, very quick. The first one is the environment dashboard and translator recycling volume and weight into visual material like trees served and the immersion reduced, links these to point, recycling point, and converts to create a stable positive feedback loops. The homepage aggregates the wood identification guides, successful recycling case study, and information, news, recycled product showcase to low cognitive barriers and amplifies social proof, fostering organic participation and word-of-mouth expansion. The recycling timbers online market, it also will show the idea in this page. You can just buy one materials by just click it. You can see the idea of that. That just means the history. I just mentioned it before. And here you can also sell and buy the craft recycling timbers product. Second function is responsible procurement and material passport. By creating digital IDs and implement QR code tracking for each batch piece of timbers. We document in the origin specification, processing, and usage history. This serves as a data carrier for material passport, establishing an evidence chance for subsequent grading, reuse, and compliance audience. Product models incorporate fields for FSC and PEFC certificate and supply information supporting. You can just quick look of these details information if you have time. Now we can just take a see of my video to present the all function of this mobile.
To make things easier for customers and reduce user churn caused by complexity.
Can be accessed directly through public platforms or a very quick registration, forums, and the news. When you trade offline or online, you can see the timber's FSC certification, origin, and all information through its ID. In the second-hand market, you can not only buy second-hand timber, but also trade handicrafts made from recycled timber. They all have digital IDs that allow for traceability.
App for timber recycling, construction, and home improvement system, and individual course features include AI recognition for online valuation, door-to-door conclusion, and recycling compressed QR code-based end-to-end tracking and material passport. A marketplace for used timber and creative timbers product and visual immersion reduction with point incentive. It connects the recycled grade remanufacture trade cycle, reduce the calculation and logistic costs, and enhance transparency and trust, and support low landfill and low carbon goals while accumulating the life cycle data. The app will integrate the key circle economy principles: responsible sourcing, dispensability, traceability, value regeneration, and data-driven operation to address the structural challenge of the inadequate facilities, unstable supply, and weak standards in Australian. This app reduces translation and complaints calls through proximity matching, standard collection, and tracing data, increasing accessible and repeat purchase rate for recycled material.